Alright, mambo ni poa, mambo ni mazuri. Bwana, I'm gonna just make one simple want to show you something new, something good, how you can make passport size out of just one photo. Unaweza fanya nini ili uweze kupata passport size zako ama za rafiki yako kutoka kwa picha tu moja ya kawaida? Bwana, hapa nilikuwa nimefanya kitu hapa, pengine I'll just have to delete it ili nikuonyeshe vizuri tu everything how it all goes. Okay, so right away let me close all this first, then I go on my file, open, go to my photos. Shafika kwa my photos, taangalia file ambayo iko na my image ambayo nataka ni edit. Okay, for example, I got this photo here. Okay, hii picha moja unaiona hapa. Nafanyaje ili iweze kuwa kwenye nini? Kwenye passport size. I just have to open it with Photoshop. This photo has opened here on the Photoshop. So what I have to do here is just to make simple steps. So number one step I have to do here, nifanya nini? So the number one step that I have to do right away here, and put up on the image, click on image, then after this so-called the canvas size, click on image, go to canvas size, click there, make sure you click, hakikisha una click this relative. Okay, this relative, the relative box should be ticked. Then go on your pixels, change it to inches, and then on the weight and the width and the height should be in pixels. So change on the width, andika 0.5, then on the height change it to 0.5, right? Then click OK. So itakuwa imekuwekea the borders za hii picha. Unaona it has a stroke, outside stroke of gonna rangi ya white. So that's done. Ukishafanya tu ya kwanza, you come here on the edit, click on edit, kuja hapa kwa define pattern, click on edit, go to define pattern, click, then itakuandikia pattern name. So hapa kwa name you can write passport, right? Then click OK. Then go on files, new. On new you have to come on these pixels. If it's on pixels, click on inches, change it to inches. Then kwa width andika 8, kwa height make it 10. Then on resolution of this image should be 300. So with that, the background is white, everything is set, then click OK. So itafungua this window ambayo it has an empty page, iko na white background. So you come here on this, okay, come here on this background layer, okay, you click on this adjustments, go on pattern, click on pattern, fill, come here on the drop down box arrow, come here, angalia una hiyo picha ambayo umesave iko tu hapa. Kuna nilikuwa nimeedit zingine hapo mwanzoni, but this last one here ndio hiyo ambayo tumesave sasa. You click on it, inafungua all these, itafungua hivi. So you can actually adjust on scale if from 100 to something bigger. If you don't want, let it just be, and then click OK. Italeta all these so many number of all these passports. You can also crop. Click on the rectangular mark tool to mark from there, left click or down mpaka select the amount ya zile ambazo wewe unataka. For example, unataka mpaka hapo, unaachia hapo, then come on this tool inaitwa crop tool. Click on crop tool, itakuplacea exactly mahali mark tool ilikuwa imefika. So you just click enter, then you say okay. Simply itakuwa imekufanyia kazi zote hizi, unaona. So you got their passports, ndio hizi hapa tayari. You can just save them and go and print them, then you cut with your scissor. Unaweza kata tu na mkasi vizuri, then you use your passports. So it is simple like that. Just make sure you are subscribed on Mitego Sasa, so that you get more updates on daily basis. Now you are more updated. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and subscribing.